So if you're clicking on my video, you already know the name Waqas Qazi and you know what is color grading. So let's talk about it. So recently I thought about going a step further, becoming a pro colorist, because I'm not a beginner, neither a pro. I'm something in the middle. Like I'm an intermediate who knows how to work with davinci, but I cannot really get to that pro look as well. So I thought I can actually, push that skill to another level. So I thought, why not? Waqas Qazi, famous name, a pro colorist. While you're looking at his footage, you're just gonna be amazed, like this is really great. So I thought the masterclass maybe is the key to know how he's gonna do all those different things. So I thought, yeah, why not? Give it a shot. $1,000 masterclass is not an easy one. It's not cheap. You're gonna have to pay that to get to his masterclass. But when I got in there, I wasn't really satisfied. I expected a lot more from Waqas Qazi because he's a pro, so pros should actually act a bit different. While you're buying a masterclass, you're gonna expect a masterclass, not a tutorial. So they're totally different. While you want to just go for a tutorial, they're going to explain every single thing, every little details, just how to actually work with gain, how to work with gamma, the lift, what is offset, what is color boost, what is contrast, what is pivot, and all these different things which already exist on his YouTube channel. So I thought there should be something different than the YouTube channel, because I actually watched everything that he has on YouTube and I no longer need them, so the masterclass should be different. It's about the master things. Like, while you're buying a masterclass, you actually mastered the basics and you know all the, fundamental thing, but you can't get to that level. It means that you don't have the right mindset, you don't have the right approach. And while a professional is going to describe you what is going on in there, that should be a masterclass. But his masterclass was more of a tutorial, and that was so disappointing. Watching all that things, except one part, there are a lot of different modules in there, from color correction, shot matching, color grading, information about cameras and about freelancing and all these different things. And maybe the best part was color correction, which it gave me some attitude of how to actually go for color correction. But when it came to the most important part, which was color grading, there were no information in there. I actually can say his YouTube channel was a lot more useful than that module. It means that you're just gonna pretty much waste your time and money by watching that, because everything that he's describing in there is already on his channel, and that's not really good. So I watched it and I didn't like it. I think not that it did not worth it, but I told you it's not a master class. It means that if you're a beginner, if you're a total beginner, you can buy that master class and you can learn a lot from DaVinci Resolve, from color grading, color matching, shot matching, color correction, stuff like that. But if you're an intermediate or if you're a pro and you want a real master class, I don't think that's for you. It could be a lot better. It could be something like, he's gonna just go there, open DaVinci Resolve, put some real footage in there, like putting a video clip that he is going to actually, color grade, and he can go step by step and tell you his mindset, that how he's gonna be, what the client wants, how things are gonna just done in there. He's gonna open all different things and have his notes and do all this magic in there, and just gonna watch and learn how to have the right mindset. I think that's what a masterclass should be about. It was a little bit disappointing, but yeah, it's Waqas Qazi, and I don't know what to say. I think I'm a little bit frustrated by watching whatever I knew before, and all I can say is, if one day he's gonna watch this video that I didn't like how his masterclass was, he can actually change his approach, and he can actually add more contrast to that masterclass and bringing more live project and doing some live actions. That can be more useful for a master class. Otherwise, it's just a tutorial. If you're a total beginner, have fun, watch it. You're gonna get a lot of benefits from it. But if you're an intermediate or a pro, I don't think so. Cheers.